Hello children, today let us learn how to calculate the total surface area and lateral surface area of a cube. Children, you pretty well know what is a cube. In a cube, all the three dimensions are equal and it has six square faces as we learned in solid shapes video. So as all the three dimensions are equal, if length is A, breadth will also become A and height will also become A. So all the three dimensions are equal. For our convenience, let us mark it as A. And we know that as discussed in the previous videos, in a cube, all the faces are square faces. It has six square faces. Before that, let us just discuss how is a cube formed. Here you can see 12 square shaped sheets. So as we have arranged one on the other to form a cuboid, in the same way let us just form a cube by arranging all these sheets one upon the other. So if we arrange all these sheets one upon the other, you get a new shape. Yeah, the new shape is called as a cube. So this is the cube. It has six square faces and all the three dimensions are equal in a cube. All the three dimensions are equal, so let us mark them as A. Now let us calculate the lateral surface area of a cube. We know that lateral surface area of a cube of any three-dimensional shape is equal to perimeter of the base into height. So here the base is in the form of a square. So area perimeter of the square, we know that perimeter of the square is equal to 4A and the height is A here. So we can write it as 4A into A, which is equal to 4A square. So the lateral surface area of a cube, so 2 into A plus A, we can write this one as 2 into 2A into A. So which is equal to, so 2 into A plus A is equal to 2 into 2A into A. So 2 into 2A into A can be written as 4A square. So this is lateral surface area of a cube. So lateral surface area of cube is equal to 4A square. And now let us discuss the total surface area of a cube. We know that total surface area is equal to sum of all the six square faces. We know that. So this can be, and the cube has three pairs of opposite identical faces. So front and back faces will have the area as 2A square, top and bottom will have it as 2A square, and the two side faces also will have the area as 2A square, as we have discussed in a cuboid. So 2A square plus 2A square plus 2A square. Taking 2 as common, it can be written as 2 into A square plus A square plus A square, which is equal to 6A square. So total surface area of a cube is equal to 6A square. Thank you. Hello children, now let us see some examples of finding total surface area of a cube. We know that total surface area of a cube is equal to 6A square. Now look at the question. What is the question? If side of a cube is equal to 9 centimeters, then we have to find the TSA. We know that in a cube all the faces are square faces. So it will not be given for you separately as length, breadth, height. As all the dimensions are equal, it will be given for you as side. So we know that TSA of a cube is equal to 6A square, where A stands for the side. So 6 into 9 square, because the side given there is 9. So 6 into 9 square is 81. So 6 into 81, which is equal to 486 centimeter square. Because the side is given as centimeters, so the area can be written as centimeter square. And now, this is one more example. If area of the base of a cube is 25 centimeter square, then find its TSA. We know that the base of a cube is in the form of a square. So they have given you the area of the square. Now we have to find out the TSA. Let us write TSA is equal to 6A square, where A square is the area of each face. So 6 into a square, 6 into 25. So 6 into 25, which is equal to 150 centimeter square. So these are some examples of finding the TSA. We know that TSA is equal to 6a square, where a square is the area of the base. Thank you. Hello children. Now let us see few more examples of lateral surface area of a cube. So we know that lateral surface area of a cube is equal to 4a square, as lateral faces are the 4 faces excluding the top and bottom face. So if side of a cube is equal to 8 centimeters, then find its TSA. TSA is equal to 4a square. LSA is equal to 4a square. Why? Because LSA means 4 faces, so 4a square. So 4 into side is given as 8 square. So 4 into 8 square is 64. So 4 into 64 is equal to 256 centimeter square. LSA is equal to 256 centimeter square. Now see the next question. If perimeter of base of cube is 20 centimeters, then find the LSA. We already have learnt in the previous videos, children. LSA is perimeter of the base into height. So here perimeter is given, you have to find out the LSA. Perimeter of the base is in the form of a square. So we can write it as, for perimeter is equal to 4s. Why? Because it is the base of the cube is in the form of a square. So 4s is equal to 20, s is equal to 20 by 4, which is equal to 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So the side we will get it as 5 centimeters. And even in a cuboid, as 3 dimensions are equal, so side is 5 centimeters, that also acts as the height. So we know that LSA is equal to perimeter of the base into height. So perimeter of the base 4s into s, which is equal to 4s square. We derived at the formula. So what is the side there? 5 centimeters. So this 4s square can be written as 20 into 5, or even you can write it as 4 into 25 also, which is equal to 100 centimeter square. This is the LSA. Thank you.